Now on President Biden's desk for signature, the FY 24 National Defense Authorization Act, NDAA, has passed the U.S. House of Representatives. Included in the FY 24 NDAA is the American Security Drone Act, see Subtitle H in text of NDAA, which would limit the use of Chinese-manufactured drone platforms by federal or federally funded drone programs. The ASDA was introduced in the Senate by Senators Rick Scott, RFL, and Mark Warner, DVA, and in the House by Select Committee on Strategic Competition between the United States and the Chinese Communist Party Chair Mike Gallagher, RY, and Representative Joe Courtney, DCT. If America is to prevail in this era of great power competition, the U.S. government cannot be using drones manufactured by our adversaries, said Representative Rob Wittman, RVA, in a November statement about the ASDA. I am proud to join my colleagues from across the aisle in reintroducing the American Security Drone Act, which will promote American superiority and competitiveness within the drone market, protect against IP theft and data security violations by the Chinese Communist Party, and fortify our national security. Drone Advocacy Group, the Association for Uncrewed Vehicle Systems International, OC, has issued a statement in support of the inclusion. OC commends Congress for incorporating the American Security Drone Act into the FY 2024 NDAA, prohibiting federal agencies from purchasing or operating non-secure drones, especially those produced by Chinese firms, is a necessary step in protecting our nation from cyber risks, espionage, and sabotage. We urge President Biden to sign this measure into law swiftly, said OC Chief Advocacy Officer Michael Robbins. Rational, tailored country of origin drone restrictions like those within ASDA are critical to protecting U.S. national security. Additionally, OC remains committed to working with Congress and the Biden administration through the Partnership for Drone Competitiveness to advance policies that bolster America's domestic drone industry, secure American leadership in advanced aviation, and effectively level the playing field for domestic and allied drone manufacturers against foreign subsidized competition. American reliance on foreign adversaries for drone technology must end.